If you're here, it's because you want to learn about TikTok, and today I want to talk about how to scale any vertical on TikTok ads. My name is Mirella. I'm the founder of Creative Milkshake. Creative Milkshake is one of the largest performance creative studios in Europe. This year alone, we've served over 250 brands, and we deliver on average 2,000 ads every month in 6 different languages. TikTok is a fantastic diversification channel for acquisition and awareness. It has dirt cheap CPMs, it's a great ad platform, and it has amazing support. But it does present a very big challenge. High frequency and creative fatigue on TikTok is notorious. And this is my perspective, is that creative drives 90% of the performance in the account. TikTok likes quantity over quality. The more content you run, the more learnings, the more distribution. So having a high enough converting creatives to sustain scale is by far the biggest challenge. The number one solution to this is having a data-driven creative strategy, which is creative production aligned with media buying for consistent and effective creative testing and iteration. And this requires deep creative analysis so that you can produce ads at scale and efficiently. So I'm going to share with you our performance creative workflow and walk you through each one of these steps so you're going to learn how to create, how to test, and how to iterate ads to support scale. So first step, creative strategy and production.